can't stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid, freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing up squeezing. Yeah, CEEKO said I'm doing up sneezing. No, said them balls said I'm doing up teasing. More for drink but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer bad news but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. So from you to the face and you hear the voice, you don't know a Cogency pon a Cogency Reacts channel. And today we have Ambush 135 CEEKO SUAVÉ or SUAVÉ already 2.0. If you did listen the plugged in with Ambush 135, may they react to that? I don't think may they react to it, but I listen to it though, definitely. It's there in my playlist. So you don't know. Big up Ambush 135 that plugged in the sick. And you don't know Cogency. We don't talk too long and waste so much time for jumping at this now. Don't know. Check out my freestyle in the description below. Like it, share it, tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe to the gaming channel. Follow me on Instagram. And you don't know. We'll jump straight tonight. Buzzword Entertainment. Wow. Bro, what am I telling you about? When the beat start, you can tell if you're gonna like it already. Me can bet 100 grand on this and me gonna like that beat already. I swear. Yeah.
Bro, just be that case, now it's out in the glad already. Just reloaded and we out of the pack already. Pulled up on your block so empty. Even one night looking like 30. Remember them days you seen it Lexi. Free smoking, you know we got plenty. Bro, just be that case, now it's out in the glad already.
Nah, man, CEEKO SUAVÉ. Whoever he is, bro. Yo, Ambush. Get him on every blood class song, that may I tell you.
Bro, just be that case, now it's out in the glad already. Just reloaded and we out of the pack already. Pulled up on your block so empty. Even one night looking like 30. Remember them days you seen it Lexi. Free smoking, you know we got plenty. Bro, just be that case, now it's out in the glad already. Just reloaded and we out of the pack already. Pulled up on your block so empty. Even one night looking like 30. Remember them days you seen it Lexi. Free smoking, you know we got plenty.
Call me 135 or Camden when you address me. Honestly, who goes harder? Me and Bush like Ronaldo, Messi. I'm from London City where actions speak and threats are empty. Hate me or love me, either way you're gonna respect me. She wants me to take my mask off. She said something about me sexy. Sorry hun, can't help ya. See my thing's techie. I got dramas with the 5-0 and I think my probies on me already. I'm on the pitch, got white and dark on me, no referees. Keep it underground, all back pounds. Still got green, no Stepney. What you on about? We run this town. We proved it plenty. Free smoke for them, that's
hear the ad-libs. So. Bro, man. Yes, man, tell you, bro. 135.
got white and dark on me, no referees. Keep it underground.
White and dark on me, no referee. The white stripe and the black stripe on. Oh, nah, man.
Already? I'm on the pitch, got white and dark on me, no referees. Keep it underground, all back pounds. Still got green, no Stepney. What you on about? We run this town. We proved it plenty. Free smoke for them, that's normal. Same way I bang on friends for treachery. They're telling me that I'm next up. I ain't next up, I'm a next breed.
Bro, just be that case, now it's out in the glad already. Just reloaded and we out of the pack already. Pulled up on your block so empty. Even one night looking like 30. Remember them days you seen it Lexi. Free smoking, you know we got plenty. Bro, just be that case, now it's out in the glad already. Just reloaded and we out of the pack already. Pulled up on your block so empty. Even one night looking like 30. Remember them days you seen it Lexi. Free smoking, you know we got plenty.
Free smoke on your block, now you clock that ain't just rap. You was a G when you said those things, don't think you can take it back.
Oh, the man was different. The man I say, yo, Man kind of depend on the wavy thing, the auto-tune thing,
When them
alright?
days selling Lexi, free
What are
smoking,
they? See what that girl there look
lost
for?
all empty.
CEEKO?
Even one night looking like 30. Remember them days
Look how I look for them, she say,
selling Lexi, free smoking, plenty.
Free smoke on your block, now you clock that ain't just rap. You was a G when you said those things, don't think you can take it back. I'm gonna chase on the phone to my girl like, babe, don't think I'ma make it back. I was everyday crazy and tax, until I got paid off rap. Now they wanna cape and cap, like I went scraping crack and taping flats. Like I never got back, then I think I would've stank. Like I never pulled up to my blow 5 whaps, cause my old school brethrens are talking smack. I'm a madman, I ain't just snatch. I'm a gangster, it ain't just bills. And a mixtape madness, it ain't just bills. Now we in the bill for the mad thing, sad boy, shout out drills. Don't money ask for it, and I told man chill. Don't be in the fields and your fields, boy, look, now shit got real. If you bust case and T like fields, if you bust case and T like.
Bro, just speed that case, now it's out in the glad already. Just reloaded and we out of the pack already. Case now it's out in the glad already. Just reloaded.
Sweet ones, you know?
And we out of the pack already. Pulled up on your block so empty. Even one night looking like 30. Remember them days in Lexi. Free smoking, you know we got plenty. Bro, just be that case, now it's out in the glad already. Just reloaded and we out of the pack already. Pulled up on your block so empty. Even one night looking like 30. Remember them days in Lexi. Free smoking, you know we got plenty.
Dog. Free Frank. You don't know. This beat. Best beat me here today. Best beat me here since Silent Take Me In. Yo, they better Take Me In. Yeah, the best beat me here since then. Fucking hell. Yeah, that song was amazing. I'm not even gonna lie, that song was literally amazing. You know, I'm not really do the ratings thing, but for me, that song was like a 10 out of 10 for me still. Nothing no missing in the song. To have everything we need. I turn that? Watch you see it there. I'll gotta say the song good. You see me? But you don't know. Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. Me stop that on my wrist. Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. Check out my freestyle in the description below. Me I leave a preview at the end of the video and at the start of the video. You don't know, so now go hear that. Check it out, like it, subscribe to the channel, share it, tell a friend to tell a friend, you understand? Because you don't know, more music are forward soon, you understand? So, yeah man, on the gaming channel, subscribe to that. New video forward soon. Instagram, follow me for Instagram. You see me, I gotta get more active for Instagram and I post more and you understand, engage more and then sitting there. So you don't know, Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. And I'm out. Peace. Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding. Eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing up squeezing. Yeah, CEEKO said I'm doing up sneezing. No, said them bulls said I'm doing up teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an unful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer bad news, but your girlfriend cheating.